Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix some footages are corrupted on CapCut. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to simply close CapCut completely and then reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch and reopening reloads the file. After that, you have to make sure the original clip you used are still in your Photos app. Don't delete or move them from your device. If a clip is missing, re-import it from the camera roll. Once you do that, head back to your home screen, open up Settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. And now search for CapCut and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This clears temporary cache but keeps your project. Once you do that, reinstall the app. Now head back to your home screen, open up your App Store, and then inside here, simply search for CapCut. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Some older version sometimes causes the error. If a certain clip won't load, convert it into a new video file using your Photos editor or another app, then add it back to your project. And that's it. Reopen CapCut, check your videos, upload the app, update it, and re-import broken clips. This works for most CapCut users. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.